Somebody has been using their credit card. She went to Fortune Cookie Soap and got a lot of soapy, sudsy products, so I guess you could say we're all washed up. I found the Moon Princess shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo to help get the gunkies out. She got this one on sale, and the scent notes on this are jelly donut, bubblegum, cotton candy, and lemon drops. Doesn't that sound good? Sounds great. I found the 4 Unfortunate Souls hairspray. Actually, this is a sea salt hair spritz. So it goes in to help create a little bit of wave to your hair without leaving it crunchy and grunchy. This was about $13 and it is 4.2 ounces, and it has a scent of prickly pear, mango, and passion flower. This is the CJP shampoo, also around $10 on sale. And in case you're wondering why it looks a little bit used, a little bit leaked out in process of transit, which does not surprise me because it's been really hot. And as long as we had it out and had to wash off the outside of the bottle a little bit, we used it a couple of times. This is a thinner shampoo than what we would have expected, but I think it works just fine. I did notice at the bottom, when you tip it up, there is some, I'm going to call it residue at the bottom. So I try to give it a shake before I use it, because I'm wondering if, when it overheated, if it may have lost its viscosity a little bit and is now a little thinner than originally planned. But it seems to work fine as a shampoo, and I've been using a lot of different product in my hair because the weather's been hot and I don't want to get out the blow dryer and stuff. So we're all washed up with this shampoo. And what are its scent notes for 8.7 ounces? Its scent is orange, grapefruit, strawberry, melon, peach, and kiwi. And then I got something that I'd also found last year, and Anne really enjoys it. It is a laundry kit. The scent is the Captain, and you get powdered soap. It is 14 ounces. And along with your powdered soap, this is an entire kit that is $40. You also get, I'm trying to find it over here. She bought so much. You also get the laundry scent booster, which is 12 ounces. And each one says that you put in 1 to 2 tablespoons. Honestly, I've been using a plastic teaspoon, 1 to 2, and that is plenty scented for our laundry needs. Yes, we really enjoy this one. And also, as part of the kit, you get, yikes, where is it? Come back here. A fragrance oil. What size are you? Oh, goodness, you are an itty bitty print. I think this is either an ounce or a half an ounce. I can't see the itty bitty print. But you get this fragrance oil. So if you have dryer balls, you can put a few dots of the oil on the dryer ball, and that way you don't have to use a dryer sheet, so it's better for the environment as well. Now, the first time I bought this kit, I didn't get any dryer balls. This time I bought this kit. You mean I bought this kit? Yep, you bought it. Good job. They sent us a dryer ball. Isn't that cute? I find the dryer balls last well for about 2, maybe 3 loads. Now, granted, this is smaller than the set of dryer balls that I'm using, but hey, even one for a light load of laundry, hey, they gave you the dryer ball to put it on. So you don't have to go out and purchase dryer balls if you don't have it. And what is our scent base for the Captain? I don't remember, but I remember it's a good one. Agreed. It is... Guess what I forgot to write down? The scent. It's not overpowering, I'll tell you that, because if it was something overpowering, I never would have picked it out. So I will try and remember to put it up on the screen somewhere. Oops. What have you seen so far that you liked? Let me know, let me know. I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details, and we have a link down below in the description box. If you click on the link and then enter your email, you will get a $5 coupon off at their shop. And you don't have to be subscribed to any of their monthly or quarterly boxes in order to shop at their store. You can shop without being a member. They have a lot of neat stuff. And now, moving right along with this video, this is Justin's Hard Lemonade Foaming Hand Soap. It has a lemon scent. I got this because we're having a hard time finding a good lemon soap for the kitchen. The one we really liked was with the Body Shop. They went out of business in the US. They only ship to Canada, and you can only get it in the UK. So we're going to try this one. I have had their air freshener in the Justin's Hard Lemonade scent and really enjoyed that. So good job, Miss Fatima, in sniffing out something to keep us all washed up. And this is 8.6 ounces for $6 and I think 30 cents. This is a 6-ounce product for $11. It's a carpet deodorizer, because every so often the carpet needs a little help. That it does. That it does. This is in the scent Wendy Bird. And what does Wendy Bird smell like? Wendy Bird smells like green apple with a tropical twist. Oh, that sounds exciting. Yeah. Keep an eye on our shorts feed. That is where we put up a lot of our first impressions of products. And I have a feeling that one's going to wind up there. Me too. I've been enjoying their perfume oils. I'm not a big perfume person, but subscription boxes is starting to change that, I think. So this is a perfume oil called Afternoon Delight. And I haven't dug into it yet because I'm still trying to finish off a couple more that I already have open. So I don't want to get too much open and then they'll never get used up. But that Afternoon Delight sounded intriguing, especially because it's apricots and watermelon. And we all know I do love me some good watermelon. And that was on sale for around $8. I think originally it was $11. So what do you think of my shopping haul? Anything that you want to get? Anything you want to get for a friend? The holidays are coming. All totaled, the camels spent just a little over $111, and then there was route protection, which is $2. The shipping was free because she spent so much. Hey, you do what you gotta do, and I found some goodies. Yes, you did find some goodies. And we had points that needed to be utilized, so that helped bring down the price. So I think all in it was around $85, which I think for the amount of items obtained, that was a good shopping haul at a good value. And don't forget to use our link down below. It will get you $5 off. Like, comment, subscribe on our video here. Don't forget to join the channel with your own subscription, because subscribing here is free. Not much in life is free these days. So very true. Thanks for taking the time to share this video with us, and we do hope to see you in another video. Yeah. We got fun stuff coming for the holidays. Oh my goodness, you would not believe it. I can hardly walk through without tripping over something for the holidays. Makes you want to subscribe, huh?